Out of it, understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, out of it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, out of it, can be broken down into its individual words. Out, which often means not inside or external. Of it, generally referring to something that has been mentioned or is understood. So, taken literally, out of it, could mean not being inside or part of something. For example, I'm out of it, could mean, I'm not part of this group or activity. However, the phrase often carries a different, more idiomatic meaning. In everyday conversations, out of it is often used to describe a person's mental or emotional state. Specifically, it describes someone who is distracted, not paying attention, confused, not fully understanding something, dazed, feeling disoriented or stunned. For instance, if someone says, "Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. I'm feeling a bit out of it today," they're expressing that they're not fully present or attentive. To understand this phrase better, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. After staying up all night to finish the project, Jake felt completely out of it. 2. I hadn't had my morning coffee, so during the meeting, I was totally out of it. 3. Are you okay? You seem a bit out of it today, Marie asked her friend. Understanding synonyms can help in grasping the essence of a phrase. Here are some synonyms for out of it. Spacey, distracted, disoriented, in a daze. When someone is out of it, they might also be described using these words. And there you have it. Now you know what out of it means in English and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, language is all about expression and context, so don't be afraid to use this phrase when you're feeling a little, well, out of it. Hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!